and shout hooray. Skateboard tunes along today. Past the bench and past the trees, rolling in the little breeze. Up a ramp and down to me. Tap, tap, tap with tiny feet. Spin around and blow on through. Blue board, red board, yellow too. Smooth and steady, bright and fun. Skateboard journey in the sun. Push and glide, nice and free. Rolling happy, full of glee. Round the bar and down the lane. Skateboard comes right back, cut and roll and flip, roll and flip. Skateboard takes a lappy trip. Push and glide and turn around. Little wheels on smooth like ground. Roll and flip, sing with me. Skateboard ride so wild and free. Wave and clap and shout hooray. Skateboard tunes along today. Can you push and glide along? Push, push, push. Can you balance nice and strong? Hold, hold, hold. Can you turn around so slow? Turn, turn, turn. Can you crouch and pop up, go? Pop, pop, pop. Can you wave as you roll? Bye, wave, wave, wave. Everybody join the show. Skateboard wheels go, go. Push it, glide it, roll along. Skateboard wheels in a happy song. Turn it, pop it, smooth and bright. Skateboard journey feels just right. Ready, steady, here we go. Roll up fast and down real slow. Clap together, sing it strong. Skateboard wheels roll along. Oh, oh. Roll and flip, roll and flip. Skateboard takes a happy trip. Push and glide and fun around. Little wheels on smooth like ground. Roll and flip one more time. Rolling in a skate park line. Leave goodbye.